Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to earn with Trust Wallet. This secure, self-custody wallet supports over 100 blockchains and millions of digital assets. While Trust Wallet itself charges no fees, you will encounter network transaction fees, which are paid to the blockchain. A great way to start earning is through its new stablecoin earn feature, allowing you to receive daily rewards on assets like UST, DAI, and USDA. It truly is your gateway to the vast world of Web3. One popular method to earn with Trust Wallet is through staking. This process involves securely locking up your cryptocurrency to help validate transactions and secure a blockchain network. Trust Wallet offers more than 24 convenient in-wallet staking options. For instance, you could earn an annual percentage rate of around 15.01% on Polkadot or 6.81% on Solana. Your staking rewards are usually paid directly in the native token of the network you are supporting. Another exciting earning opportunity is yield farming, which you can access through Trust Wallet's integrated D-app browser. Yield farming means depositing your digital assets into decentralized protocols to provide liquidity, earning rewards in return. You can easily connect to platforms such as PancakeSwap, Venus, and Curve directly from your wallet. These opportunities can provide returns in the form of trading fees, governance tokens, or interest, allowing your crypto to work for you in the decentralized finance space. Beyond staking and farming, you can also earn by strategically trading and holding assets within Trust Wallet. The wallet allows you to swap tokens directly within the app, offering convenience. Remember that network fees, or gas fees, apply to all transactions. These vary significantly based on the blockchain and current network congestion. For example, an Ethereum transfer might cost $5 to $20, whereas a Binance Smart Chain transaction could be less than $1. Holding a diversified portfolio of supported cryptocurrencies can also be a viable long-term earning strategy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.